Okay, it seems we got something from Amazon. Huh? Let's see. Yes, here we go. Okay guys, I just got this package from Amazon. Let's see what is inside. It's gonna be a super short unboxing. I have my cutter here and let's cut it through. It's gonna be something really cool probably. Well, I know what it is. Little bit of suspense for you. Woo. Okay, this is a K&F Concept Backpack. Let's get rid of this one and let's open also this one. It's actually really nice. Let's get rid of this one as well. Yes, this is the backpack. Wow, really cool. It's everything open already, but a little bit of papers, rain cover, which is really good. Separators as well, which is also good. And the nice thing, I don't know if you can see, is like you can separate the top part with the lower part, so you can create space for your camera, and here you have accessories. And I mean, it's quite tough, everything. You have a bag for the laptop, which I don't think I will take anyway, and another bag here for filters, another zip here for your batteries or whatsoever, and here another one, which is the access to the top part, you can see, which is really cool. Actually, you can put, for example, food or something like this, or a change, or maybe a second camera or a drone, which I don't have, but I hope I will soon. This is really cool. Actually, you can tie it several things here, which is amazing. And here you have the access to other things. Again, tip here, plastic band. Here you can put, I guess, this is cool actually. Like you have for the SD card, various size. I really like it because it's hard, this part. And you see when it's actually closed, let's see if I can close this thing. It's rigid, which is what I was looking for, because you see it stays, and it's quite tough. Yeah, I think overall the quality is actually really cool. Let's see here. Of course, you can carry your tripod here, and yes, that's also amazing. On the other side, you have the side access, so you can just have your backpack like this, take it like this, take the camera out. And it's pretty cool actually. I'm super happy so far. I will try it out now to arrange my camera, but that's really cool. It's in Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. I think it was 150 euro, something like this. Yeah, well, I already had a backpack from K&F Concept, and I have to say I was super happy. The only thing I will show you what was the other backpack is that it was too soft. And important for me is that I always want a backpack with the access on the back. Why? Because I travel with expensive camera, and you know, there are not so nice people around, and when I have the backpack over my shoulder, nobody can access to my gear. Well, you could say now someone could, because they can open to the side. Yes, but yeah, you see, actually there are loops. I can put a small locker here, and nobody is gonna open it. Yes, so far, yeah, I'm super happy. I will show you now the previous backpack that I had. And it's this one, also from K&F Concept. Yeah, it's you know, it's super easy. You have a bag here, one other two inside here, compartment for your laptop. You can open from the back, but as you can see, you're really limited. You don't have so many compartments like in the new one that I have. So yeah, I think it's time for retirement for this backpack. And you see also it's everything super soft. So yeah, I was not super happy, but it did the job. I travel a lot with this one. You know, in the end it was 60 euros, something like this when I bought it. And yeah, I did its job. Here I have also my Fujifilm f38 quick release system. I'm really so happy about them. I have two. Why? Because one, I use it for my Sony a7R5, and the other one is for my little Sony a6700 or Osmo Pocket 3, or other little things that I can just clip. I have several clips on my gear, and I can just put it here. I can just walk around. If I have to do something, I have my hands free. So these are gonna be moved on the other backpack. Yeah, it's a honest backpack, but yeah, this one is gonna be a great companion for my next trips. Yeah, this was a quick unboxing. Yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe. If you didn't, I will do much more content for photographer, travels, location, scouting, tips and tricks for photographer. So yeah, if you are into this, please subscribe and let's connect. Thank you so much. Bye.